Good morning, students. Last class we are discussed about human sperm. Now we are discuss about electron microscopic view of sperms, right? Microscopic image of human sperm. Next, the stages in oogenesis. Next we are discuss about oogenesis. There is a primordial germ cells. The primordial germ cells are occurs in oogonia. It is a diploid nature of cells. Primary oocytes. The ovum are derived from primary oocytes. The oocytes are called diploid number of chromosomes. After that, the primary oocytes converted into primary follicles, then secondary follicles, next tertiary follicles. Secondary oocytes contain n number of chromosomes. N number of chromosomes, the ovum contain n number of chromosomes, right? How to produce or form produced ovum? The stage 1, oogonia. The oogonia produce oocytes. It is a primary oocytes. After that, the oocytes converted into primary follicles. The primary follicles converted into secondary follicles. The secondary follicles or primary follicles are called granulosa cells. The secondary follicles converted into tertiary follicles. The tertiary follicles, the small opens are yellow whitish color in between the yellow. The region are called antrum. After that, tertiary follicles converted into Craphian follicles, primary oocytes, interior follicle. Then next stage, secondary oocytes. It is a matured stage of oocytes. Oocyte released from follicles. It is a ovulating process. Ovulated oocytes in cumulus, right? Next, human ovum. Human ovum, non-cladoic and alecithal egg. Cladoic means cell, the egg outer cells. Because human egg are not contained cell, it is a membranous egg, hence it is called a cladoic. Lecithal means nutrients. The human ovum are not contain nutrients. Example, the hen egg contain white yolk and yellow yolk, right? The same nutrients are not present in human ovum. So it is called alecithal. A means absence of lecithal. The cytoplasm of egg is called ooplasm. This region are called ooplasm. The cytoplasm otherwise called ooplasm. The large nucleus is called germinal vesicles. It is a large nucleus. The large nucleus are called germinal vesicles. The germinal vesicles covered by 3 membranes. Outer, middle, inner. Outer layer, middle layer, inner layer. It is a very important 3 layer. Outer layer are called corona radiata. Middle layer are called zona pellucida. Inner layer are called Bertillon membrane. The ovum contain 3 type of membranes, right? This is an electron microscopic image. Microscopic image of secondary oocytes with a polar body. Next, menstrual cycle. The cycle of events that occur naturally in the female reproductive tract once in every 28 days throughout the reproductive life of female from menarche to menopause except during pregnancy. Menopause period without menstrual cycle, the absence of menstrual cycles in female up to the age of after 50 years. minimum age of after 50 years. The female reproductive system are not contained menstrual cycle. In this period are called menopause period. The menstrual cycles are not present during pregnancy, right? It is a cycle of, it is a menstrual cycle. See, day 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. The 7 days are called menstrual phase or bleeding phase. Least fertile in this region are called least fertile. Possible to conceive or possible to conceive 8, 9. The 2 days are vigorous possible to conceive or in these two days are suitable for fertilization. After that 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 ovulation, the fertile window, best chance of conception. 15, 16 possible to conceive. After the 17 to 28 days, thickening of uterine lining, unlike to conceive. It is not possible in this stage. 1 to 28 days is one of the menstrual cycle. The menstrual cycle divided into 3 phase. First bleeding phase, second one follicular phase, third one luteal phase. The major chance to fertilization or conceive, bleeding phase, particularly possible 8, 9 and 15, 16th days, right? Next, it is a female reproductive system. This is called uterus, ovary, fallopian tube, cervix, cervical canal and external genitalia. First base menstrual base, second follicular base, third ovulatory base, fourth luteal base. It is a base of menstrual cycle. Separately the bases, defined menstrual base is a 2-mark question, defined follicular base is a 2-mark question, defined ovulatory base is a 2-mark question, defined luteal base is a very important 2-mark questions. The 4 titles also called 2-mark question. What are the bases are present in menstrual cycle, right? Next, events in menstrual cycle. Follicular base, luteal base. It is events in ovary, hormonal changes called gonadal hormones, events in endometrium. First, menstruation. The first 5 to 7 days. After that, second stage ovulation, the utilization of LH hormones. Then luteal base. The luteal base, the first base, more amount of estrogen secretion occurs. After that, less amount of estrogen and more amount of progesterone. Progesterone is a pregnancy hormone. It is a ovary. The ovum, the ovulation, after ovulation, the ovary converted into corpus luteum. It is a temporary gland of female reproductive system. The ovary converted into gland name called corpus luteum. The corpus luteum secretes more amount of progesterone. The progesterone mainly responsible for care of fertilized egg or pregnancy. Hence it is called pregnancy hormone, right? Next, development of follicles in ovary and ovulation, formation of corpus luteum and corpus alpincus. The corpus luteum, corpus, what is meant by corpus luteum? What is meant by corpus alpincus? Corpus luteums are from ovary. The empty ovary converted into corpus luteum. Corpus luteum converted into corpus alpincus. Corpus alpincus are called scar tissue, right? Next, menarche, occurrence of first menstruation, a stage in the life of woman when ovulation and menstruation stops, that is called menopause. Next, menstrual hygiene management, how to manage menstrual period, right? Using absorbable clothing materials, sanitary napkins, tampons, menstrual caps. Next, it is the symbol are called female, in this symbol are called male, sperm, ovum, right? It is a fertilization process. Next, sperm in female reproductive tract, sperm in female reproductive tract. C, deposition of semen into the vagina during coitus. Coitus means mating, right? Next step, movement of sperm towards the egg. Movement of step towards the egg, travel into the sperms are released to vagina, inner part of the vagina. The sperm travel into the cervical canal, after that uterus and fallopian tube, move to ampulla region. The fertilization occurs in ampulla region, right? Third stage, capacitation process of sperm and acrosomal reaction. Fifth step, release of sperm nucleus into the ooplasm. Next step, formation of fertilization membrane preventing polyembryony. After that, the fusion of sperm nucleus with the egg nucleus. The final stage are called zygote. The n number of nucleus are present in sperm. Another one, apply number of chromosomes present in ovum. The 2n fusion, the process are called fertilization. The fertilized egg are called zygote, right? Understand? See, this is sperm touches the egg's jelly coat and it acrosome release enzyme molecules. The sperm head region contain acrosome. Acrosome can able to destroy the membrane or lysis the membrane. See here, the membrane are destroying. The fully destroyed region is a receptor protein molecules, plasma membrane, Bergline layers. After that, the damaged membrane, the nucleus are enter into the ooplasm. The male nucleus, haploid number of chromosomes enter into the ooplasm. See, this is sperm nucleus, this is egg nucleus. The N egg nucleus and N sperm nucleus with joined with the form a zygote. The zygote are called haploid, diploid number of chromosomes. It is a zygote. 2n, diploid means 2n number of chromosomes, zygote nucleus. The fertilized egg move from the ampulla region to uterus via fallopian tube, right? Next, see ovum. The ampulla region, this is ampulla region. Ampulla region waiting for ovum. After it is in this diagram are called fertilization process. After fertilized egg move converted into after fertilized egg are called zygote, and 2 cell stage, 4 cell stage, 8 cell stage. The 3 stage are called cleavage, right? Next, morula. Next stage, blastocyst. The blastocyst stage are mainly responsible for fix the endometrium. It is in the process are called embedding or implanted blastocyst, right? Next, we are discuss about next class. Thank you.